In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram app not responding. So for that, first of all, what you'll have to do is press and hold on to Instagram icon, click on more features, then go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you'll find clear cache written in bright red, click on it. After that, simply go back, go to Play Store. In the search bar, simply search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And after that, you can try relaunching Instagram. And if it's still not working, then go to settings. Scroll till the end. Here you will find about device. Click on it. Here click on storage. Here check if your storage is full or almost full. If it is the case, then that might be the reason your Instagram is not responding. Simply delete some unnecessary files, photos, videos, etc. And after that, simply press and hold on to the power icon. Then restart your phone. Then try relaunching Instagram, and if it's still not working, simply press and hold on to Instagram icon, uninstall, confirm it, then try downloading it again. And if it's still not responding after all of this, that might be a server issue or a global outage. You can simply wait for some time. You can try accessing it in any other device, and if it's not working there also, simply wait and it should be solved after a while. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.